These are the 3D Viewmaster Pictures Royal Family. Viewmaster Reel 1. Picture 1. Queen Elizabeth II, crowned on June 2, 1953. Picture 2. The Queen and the Duke of Edinburgh. Picture 3. Up the Mall to Buckingham Palace. Picture 4. Buckingham Palace, residence of the Queen. Picture 5. Changing the guard at Buckingham Palace. Picture 6. The Gold State Coach. Picture 7. Royal procession at Westminster Abbey. Viewmaster Reel 2. Picture 8. Princess Margaret's wedding, May 6, 1960. Picture 9. The Queen in Westminster Abbey. Picture 10. Royal procession at Parliament Square. Picture 11. The Queen at Horse Guard Parade. Picture 12. Trooping the color at Horse Guard Parade. Picture 13. The Queen inspecting the troops. Picture 14. Royal Yacht Britannia in Tower Bridge. Viewmaster Reel 3. Picture 15. The Royal Family at Madame Tussauds. Picture 16. The Queen and Duke of Edinburgh in Nigeria. Picture 17. Queen Elizabeth at Kaduna Model Village. Picture 18. Queen Mother's 80th birthday celebration. Picture 19. Prince Charles, Lady Diana and Balmoral Castle. Picture 20. St. Paul's site of the forthcoming royal wedding. Picture 21. Marriage celebration will take place here. We want to add new videos every day, so please subscribe to our channel.
And if you had fun, thumbs up.